Today I'm demonstrating a streamlined workflow for bridging the gap between design and development by converting Figma designs directly into a documented Storybook library. The process begins inside our AI-native IDE, such as Windsurf or Cursor. We enter a prompt to generate a new component set for our library. Behind the scenes, the IDE communicates directly with Figma via an MCP server. It ingests the raw design tokens and specs from Figma, while simultaneously importing Shad CN UI to serve as our accessible, foundational-based library. This generation is governed by our custom rule set, ensuring the output aligns with our design system guidelines and best practices. Next, the AI generates the atomic components, maps the design tokens to code, and creates the associated themes. Additionally, it also auto-generates the Storybook stories, ensuring every state and variant is documented from day one. We start with our source of truth in Figma. Our AI-native IDE hooks directly into these design specs, extracting the raw tokens, color palettes, and component design. In our IDE, we instruct AI to extract colors from our style guide. Based on our guidelines, the AI builds a custom task list and implementation plan, leaving you free to review the details and make any necessary adjustments. This is repeated across other design tokens and component builds. Launching Storybook, we can see our design tokens imported into a 3-tier system, as well as our typography and our image article card component. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in accelerating your design system workflows or learning more about our AI capabilities, please reach out to the contact information listed on your screen.